I got them today. Usually they sneak up on me and I can't get a tight shot on them, but I did today. Those are the geese. They're heading south. It's a little too cold from here. It's 25 degrees this morning. It's Tuesday morning. It's 6:45 a.m. I'm on the East Coast. All right, I'm going to do my international greetings now. If you've been on my stream before, you know what this is. I greet my international watchers with their native language. Sawani Priyanin Kakum to you in Thailand. There's a straggler. There's a straggler. That's like 3 flocks coming together to fly south together. Wow, that's a lot of geese today. Hello, Timangku Terima to my Indonesian friends, and hello, Frond Dika. Dankeschön to my German friends. And bonjour, my merci to my French friends, and ciao, amigo grazie to all of my friends who speak Italian. Hallo, vriend, bedankt to the Netherlands. Konnichiwa, konbanwa, tomodachi arigato to all of my Japanese friends. Someone requested that I learn Zulu. Zulu is a South African language that 10 million people speak. Zawabane, Ujani, Ajibanga. Ni hao, Pongyo, Shishini. This to my Chinese friends. And hola, buenos dias. Muchas gracias, amigo, amiga. ¿Cómo está? Kaibigan, salamat. To my friends in the Philippines who speak Tagalog. And as I already said, to my wonderful friend from Guam, Ahafade. Aparidatin. To my Ukrainian friends, Привіт, друг. Дякую тобі. And last but not least, Trémaisia. To my Ukrainian friends, Trémaisia, which means stay strong. And to all of my English-speaking friends, good morning, and hello. Thank you for stepping into the stream today. It's nice to have you here. We were so privileged to see such a beautiful sunrise this morning. I do an international greeting every morning because it's been my experience that when you greet someone in their native language, it seems to be an immediate opening for friendship. Good morning, David, the kind one. I hope things are good with you. Nice to see you here this morning. Sorry for the shaky camera. It's slippery here today because of all the heavy frost. It's beautiful though. That's number 4. 4 flocks of geese flying south this morning. Didn't expect that. What a nice surprise. And good morning, my neighbor from Bristol. Thank you for stepping in. It's a beautiful morning at the river. We had an amazing sunrise.